Hey Angels, so this video today is brought to you by WIGENCOUNTERS.com, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to cut the lace off of your 360 lace frontal wig. Just take a look at the packaging. So Wig Encounters actually specialize in beginner friendly wigs, and you're going to get these wigs at affordable pricing. So the wig that I received today is the hair type Indian Remy hair, and the color I received is natural black. The length of the hair is actually 14 inches. The density is 180%. The cap construction is glueless 360 lace frontal wig. The cap size is average. The lace color is medium brown. They have different colors you can choose from. And the knots on this unit is definitely bleached. You have that option as well of whether or not you want to buy your unit with the knots bleached or not. And the hairline is natural and it's pre-plucked, which I love. And this unit actually comes with soft lace. So I'm just showing you guys the hairline and everything. And let's just dive deeper into this video. Okay, Angel, so the wig is on. And this is like first glance right out the back. Has like a little lump in it, but this is going to need to be like straightened. Excuse me. Going to need to be like straightened and prepped. But just so you guys can see, like, it's pretty. Look, the hair is beautiful. It looks so natural. Okay, Angel, so since this company Wig Encounters specializes in making beginner-friendly wigs, everything with this wig is pretty much done. All you have to do is pick the wig that you want, make sure you have the right cap size. Again, I have average. Make sure you got the right lace color. I have medium brown. You want it to be closer to your skin tone. And all you really want to do is cut the lace off. So as you can see, Toy is peeking in, and then I told her I'm recording, so she's sliding out. But all I'm doing at this point is just basically sectioning off pieces of the hair, because I just want to make sure this hair is out the way and I'm not cutting any of the wig while I'm trying to cut off the lace. So just watch. I'm just doing like a little 360 so you can see how everything is clipped up. Some of these like loose ends and baby hairs is out, but we're going to clip that back before it's all said and done. So you can cut the lace off while the unit is on your head. I'm actually showing you guys on this canvas blockhead. So you just want to start in the middle and cut the lace into like little slits. And as you can see, I put one in the middle and then one off on the side. And I'm just clipping this hair so that it stays out the way. And what you want to do is you want to take like some scissors. You can take a razor. These are like big scissors. It's probably better if you use like some little small sewing scissors or some hair scissors, and you don't want to cut directly across. As you can see, that lace is a little jagged. You want to cut like basically in like a up and down motion, just slightly up and down, like you see me waving the scissors. This is what you want to do, because this is going to make sure that your lace looks as natural as possible. If you cut it straight across, it just looks super wiggy when you put your wig on. You want it to look like a natural hairline. That's the look that we're going for. So you just want to keep cutting these slits into these little sections, and you just want to slowly work your way around the wig. Cut that little slit, and then you want to hold that lace, cut in the up and down motion, up and down, up and down, up and down. Super easy. Work your way around the wig, and this is how you properly cut the lace on your 360 lace frontal wig. And I hope this video is very, very helpful for you guys. So I customized the unit. As you can see, it's laid. The parting space is gorgeous. The texture is like so natural. It's absolutely gorgeous. Just look at that. Looks like my natural hair. I'm giving this hair a big thumbs up, and I'm absolutely in love with this unit. You guys have to comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this unit. Okay, so all of the information will be left down below in the description, guys. This video was recorded on my phone. Nice, quick, fast review, very authentic. This hair is bomb. I will make sure that all the details about this wig is left down below in the description. So check for coupon codes. Check for all of the things that you need. One of my new favorite wigs. I'm gonna say that. Yep, it's cute, y'all. Go get it. Look how thin it is. But the density is so freaking natural. All right, bye guys.